Hi, so I'm going to show you how to make a rain sensory bottle. This is great to make to help remind your children of how important water is for plants to grow, or just to have fun dancing on music while shaking it. So for this we need a plastic bottle, some straws that your child can cut for you with a child-safe pair of scissors, and about half a cup of rice and a spoon to transfer it into a bottle. So we're going to start off with putting some of the straws in the bottle, about halfway. And this is really good once again for the pincer grip. And it's going to take them a little bit of time to get all those straws in the bottle. So I'm doing a few at a time, just to save time. But of course your child can do one at a time. All right. So we've got some straws in there, and then we're going to start scooping some rice into the bottle. And this is a really good transferring activity, and I would suggest that you put it on a tray so that you can catch any rice that falls down and spills. So they're going to just spoon it into the bottle. And this will also take them quite a bit of time. And they might decide that they want to empty the bottle halfway and start again. That's also perfectly fine. Even if they end up not actually making the rain bottle, but just having fun with it, that's all that matters, because they are practicing all the necessary skills that they need to. I think I'm going to stop there, and then we start again with the rest of the straws. Alright, shall we have a little go and see if this works, or whether we have to fill it up some more? Okay, let's see. Can we hear the rain? So if you use your imagination, this definitely sounds like rain, but it's up to you and your child if you want to fill the bottle or not. If you don't have straws, you can use sticks that you get from outside. You can use maybe some toothpicks. Don't need to use straws. If you don't have anything like that, you can just ask your child to put some rice in there, maybe some lentils, and it can turn into a shaker that they can use while they're dancing. Hope you have fun with that.